Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to you have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We are going to start with the chapter exponents and square roots. The lessons we're going to cover today are understanding negative exponents, write multiplication expressions using exponents, and advanced exponents. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 6 math. The chapter we are on right now is exponents and square roots. We're going to start with the lesson that is understanding negative exponents. Write the expression as a whole number with a negative exponent. Do not evaluate the expression. One divided by 5 square. 5 square, you can write it as the negative exponent. You can write it as 5 exponent square. Let's just start with the test questions. Which is equal to 9 exponent 6? 9 exponent negative 6. So we have to see which one is equal to 9 exponent negative 6. So same way, basically you can write, if you are given the exponent x equal n, you can write it in the denominator of the one, that is x exponent negative 9. Same way you can go the opposite way. If you are given the negative exponent, you can make it positive by writing it in the denominator of the one, that is x negative n equals 1 divided by xn. So same way you have 9 exponent negative 6, you can write it as 1 divided by 9 exponent 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write the expression as a whole number with a negative exponent. Do not evaluate the exponents. So that is 1 divided by 7 cube, that equals 7 exponent negative 3. 7 to the power of negative 3. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 7 to the exponent of power of negative 3. Write the expression as a fraction with a positive exponent. Do not evaluate the expression 5 exponent negative 6. 5 exponent negative 6. That is 1 over 5 to the power of 6. Which is equal to 1 divided by 8 exponent 6. Option number A is the correct option, that is 8 exponent negative 6. Write the expression as a whole number with a negative exponent. Do not evaluate the expression. That is 1 divided by 5 square. That is 5 to the power of negative 2. Option 2 is the correct option. which is equal to 2 exponent negative 5. Very good. Option number C is the correct option. That is 1 divided by 2 exponent 5. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next one. Write multiplication expressions using exponents. Write an expression using an exponent. So you are given 3 times 3. 3 is multiplying 2 times. That means 3 is used as a factor of 2 times. So you can write it as 3 square. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Write the expression using an exponent. 2 times 2. 2 times 2. You can write it as 2 square. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 2 to the power of 2. Write the expression using an exponent. 3 to the power of 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write the expression using an exponent. 3 times 3 times 3. So which is the correct option? That is 3 to power of 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write the expression using an exponent. That is 2 to the power of 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write the expression using an exponent. That is 3 to the power of 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is advanced exponents. Evaluate 1 divided by 7 exponent negative 1. Negative 1 is the exponent of that is 1 exponent negative 1 is 1 and 7 exponent negative 1 you have to shift it to the numerator, that would be 7 exponent 1. Let's just start with the test questions. Evaluate your answer. Write your answer as a fraction or whole number without exponents. So which is the correct option, 1 or 2? The correct option is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. You do not have to write, you have to write them without exponents. Option number 1 is the correct option. Evaluate 1 by 7 exponent negative 3. So that would be 1 exponent negative 3 and 7 exponent negative 3. 1 exponent negative 3 is same, and 7 exponent negative 3 you can make the exponent positive by writing it in numerator. So 7 times 7 is 343. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. One divided by 2 exponent negative 3. So which is the correct option? That is 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. You need to make the exponent positive by writing it in numerator, and then you have to evaluate 2 exponent negative 3, right? That would be 1 over 2 exponent negative 3. That is 2 cube. You have to do 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. Sorry. The correct option is 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Evaluate 1 over 6 exponent negative 1. So which is the correct option? That is option number 1. 6 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Evaluate 1 divided by 5 exponent negative 3. Which is the correct option? That is 225. Option number 1 is the correct option. Oh, 125. 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. It is, sorry. One divided by 3 exponent negative 1. So, which is the correct option? That is 27. Option number 1 is the correct option. Evaluate 1 divided by 5 exponent negative 4. That is 225. Option number 1 is the correct option. 25 times 25 is 625, not 225. That is 625. One over 6 exponent negative 3, which is the correct option? That is 216. Option number 2 is the correct option. One divided by 6 exponent negative 4. That is 36. 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. That is 1296. You have to multiply 6 4 times. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 1, 10 it is. 1 over 3 exponent negative 4. That is 1, that is 81. Option number 2 is the correct option. One over 10 exponent negative 4. So which is the correct option? 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, that is 10,000. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 36. Option number 1 is the correct option. Twenty-five. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 divided over 8 exponent negative 3. So which is the correct option? That is 512. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 6 maths. The chapter we were working on is exponents and square roots. The lessons we have covered today are understanding negative exponents, write multiplication expressions using exponents, advanced exponents. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.